you got now?
I wonder if I wrong place them a send me. I wonder if it was a trick. I'm gonna call her and see. Alright. Call her lady. Hello?
Hello?
Where's the place there? 76 Gardenia. Me turning a Gardenia. Where else me go? Just look for 76?
Yeah, it's just 76 on the door.
Alright, cool.
No problem.
Stop it now.
I'm good. Welcome to my home of aboard.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll give you a little tour. Yes, Miss Racquel, this is my living room.
You look nice.
Thank you.
So may I say, I hope you're not somebody who don't wash plate, don't cook.
Oh, no. You won't have a problem with that one.
They do that.
Of course, from the look of it, you know that I am very clean. I don't like to see dirty plates.
Plate's nice.
Good. And based on the phone, we talk about we're gonna split the bills, split the food, and other stuff.
And suppose I don't have a job. A joke.
Oh, you got my heart skipping. Yeah.
Alright, so half light bill, half water
half
bill,
water bill,
half
rent.
we get internet?
Yeah, man, you get
Off internet.
Right. So if you want to buy your own food or you want to split, it's up to you.
I think we can split.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That would be great.
But in the meantime, I'll sponge off for him.
Huh?
I'm joking.
Oh, okay. And one more thing. So we do daily cleanup. So if I do cleanup today, you'll do it tomorrow, and same wise in the kitchen. Right. You cook today, I'll cook tomorrow. If not, we'll have leftover, yeah? Basically.
Alright, we can see the room.
Yes. So we have a 3-bedroom, but however we'll be using only 2 because the other one is when my mom comes over, come home, you know.
Alright. Alright.
And you have so much attitude already.
I'm sorry.
Okay, let's see if we can work together. Yes, Racquel. So here we are. You have a lot of space.
It's a nice place.
Thank you. I try my best to take care of it. Yeah. Yeah, so
It's not bad.
thank you. So let me show you to your room. If that's okay with you, or are you too tired?
Yeah, I've got more in the room.
Alright. So this is the room.
I like it. We really like it.
I don't know if this is your color, but
Yeah, blue are my color still. I like it.
thank you.
Nice.
Thank
Well, I never expected it to be furnished still, but it's nice.
Thank you. Yeah.
Wow, there's
I try
a
my
view.
best. A nice view, right?
Yeah, I like it.
You see how clean it is?
Yeah.
White sheet and everything. So, you know, clean. I am very, very clean.
Alright, let me tell you something.
Right.
Sometimes I don't want you to clean up your room.
Excuse me?
Joke, man. You can't take a joke, man. You can't take a joke.
You're always this person. You're always this person.
Oh, I always joke around me.
Really?
Like serious joke. I just so much stay.
Oh.
I like it still. Yeah, me eat that couch, yeah. I like the room.
Oh well.
Oh gosh, yeah. So I just pick up my luggage now.
Right.
So you accept me as a tenant?
Yes, I do.
I just joke me that joke. Little joke me that joke.
Yes, I do. Based on the interview and everything, he seems like a nice person.
Yeah.
However, let's see how it goes.
Be alive, me like tell you.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
I think I'm getting used to your behavior now. Yeah. So.
Alright. I hope my girl enough I know say me not have a job, you know. Let me go look at job now. And my father only give me like 2 months deposit after me tell him say just pay for the place me for 6 months and that's it. What I say go in here and be good man. You're no business boy you. Shoot. She lock up door.
You know, knock before you come in.
What me a knock for?
Excuse me? I do knock when I'm coming in your room. You don't learn that? And whenever you're going into somebody's room, you knock before coming in? Yeah, you know, just come in and people room like that, man, and not before.
Yo, your room nice, girl.
Okay, then.
So,
yes.
So we did 3 at 6. Man?
Excuse me? That's my personal life. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you? I don't like people sitting down on my bed, you know. This is my bed. I don't sit on your bed. This is my bed.
Whatever. So I'm going to talk to you about. In fact, me even have to talk to you about that anyway. But let me just do it because I do respect what I feel as a new person here.
Right.
Me have about 2 man friends going up for me today. And you don't mind with like drink and smoke.
Oh no.
Well, drink.
No. Based on the rules that I gave you before coming here, you agreed to it. Yes, I said I don't drink and smoke. No, I don't drink and smoke in this place. You can go out and do what you want. I don't care about that, and you can bring anybody you want, but it's not any and anybody here.
Me not guess we go out.
Excuse me.
We don't have money.
I don't care what you want to do. At this point, I just said I don't want any drinking and smoking at my place.
Whatever.
I don't think I can be with this girl. No, I don't think. As much as I need a partner, I don't think I can deal with it. Also, I'm gonna put up this place. I'm gonna look for another room yet. Trust me, I can't deal with this. Oh my God, I can't believe this is the lifestyle. She already adore. I can't deal with them something here. Jesus. Racquel! Really? Look at the living room, Racquel. Why are you doing this? How many persons was here? Why are you drinking so much?
Hey, remember say, I'm here in a place.
And your point? Racquel, yourself, you cannot be doing these things, man. These lifestyle not fit you. I thought you was a nice young lady. Oh my gosh. Please clean up the living room. Please clean up the living room, please. Please clean up the living room because I don't like this style. Clean up the living room. The living room is a mess. But no, I'm not buying no lollipop and no chocolate for you. Yes, before you came here, this place wasn't like this. I was great all by myself. But because I want to make some extra money and whatever.
I make the extra money. So what the problem now?
Excuse me?
Now make the extra money.
I don't like my face looking like this. But by the way, when you say, I thought you said you're going to work. What happened? From you get here, I don't see you working. What is wrong?
I work from home.
Oh, you work from home and I don't even see you with a laptop. I don't see you with nothing and you work from home. You know what? I'm not gonna do this. If by the end of the month and you're behaving like this, I will ask you to leave my house.
Show you. Then show someone who makes you happy.
Madam, please, no.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Don't do this. Don't do this.
I beg.
Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this.
Please,
Nice.
don't do this.
I cannot.
That is me.
Please, get yourself together. Come on. Get yourself together. Try to tell me so the girl never clean up the kitchen. No sir. I don't think we can do this no more. I don't think I can do this no more. Me, I'll go put up this place for another room in. Me can't, I don't think I can take this place lightly anymore. I think we can't put up with this thing no more. I want my food there. No man. My girl that test me faith, you know. Trust me. Jeez. Me box some milk when me have in the fridge. She eat, she drink out too. No sir, me tired of them living here. This a girl and I help pay a bill, help buy food, she not clean up the place. What the reason she live here? Why so is that she live here? She not do nothing. All she do a drink. What is this? No sir. I cannot deal with this anymore. so I'm gonna just put the breakfast here, so I'm losing it. Am I losing it? I'm sure I put the plate here. But no. This is not what I'm thinking. Hope, me just have hope, you know? Me just have hope coming. I cannot deal with them as something here. Let me remove it. Oh my God. Racquel, why you eat all my breakfast?
You never make breakfast for me and you.
Excuse me? Excuse me? You provide any? But even if you send me make breakfast, even if you said I make breakfast for both of us, why eat off the whole of the breakfast?
You never eat yours already?
Really?
So you never
That was prepared, that was done prepared. If it hot and everything, really? You eat off it?
Come in my room, man. Huh?
Alright, this is
Me not pay rent here?
this is a brick.
This is the brick?
Oh God. Honestly, me don't know what to do with you right now. You eat off me things, you go in the fridge, you take out me leftover and you eat it. Me have me clothes, you wear out me, you wear out everything.
Girl, none of your clothes them can't fit me.
What you do with it? What you do with it? You sell them? What you do with them?
Me
Sell
not
it?
pay your bills them. Me not pay your bills them.
Oh, so you sell
Me
me
not bun
clothes
nothing.
them?
Me not the
Me
fact
have
is
me
that
new
me not
clothes.
bun
Me have
nothing
me
in your
new
house.
shoe. You take out me food. You eat out the whole of me food. You drink out the whole of me juice. You use out me soap. What else you don't want from me? You want me man too? You want him? You want him? Oh gosh. I don't have to. Listen, I'm talking to you. Don't walk away when I'm talking to you.
Look, me and you are pay rent here. You are pay half, me a pay half. We are pay equal amount. Okay? I'm paying the rent here. If I see food, I eat it.
That's not how it goes.
And if I dirty the place, you clean it. It's as easy as that.
Oh, do I look like a maid? I'm talking to you. Do I look like a maid? Also, it's because you're something so simple and you big and mighty. You think you can come in my house and deal with me like this? It won't work. So either you get your shit together or pack and leave. All right, we'll see about that. I should have something for pies in.
Listen.
You heard me? You don't have no right fear fast with my things then.
So because me and drink the milk you behave.
I should have something for pies in you. Me don't talk. What sweet you gonna sour you? Hi. Welcome on then. You say I am stressed. You say remember the girl when me did tell her about the other day when me tell her say she come. Maybe I tell her say me want one roommate and she come. You say she not stop give me hell.
My God.
She not stop give me hell. Me have me clothes them, me new brand clothes them. The girl take me clothes them go sell it. Me have me food.
Put some courage in the clothes when you put on it. It cross on
No, I know she alright. Remember?
And then you see the food anytime you voice, you just put some instant salt in there, like you run out in there, like you have the river bathroom.
And that, yes. I'm in milk them, you know. Oh God, that would be a great idea. Thank you.
Just look up salt, the instant salt in there and shake it up.
Thank you for that idea. Alright, thanks, here.
Alright.
Me make you know the outcome.
Alright.
Forget you. I shall deal with your nastiness. Me understand. Deal with the nastiness. Watch me. I have to show you say nothing fast. Nothing more again. Me tell you. That got near me so far. And if this is enough, I'm ready. Hospital I'm going to end up. That fast with people things. Officer thief.
Yo, me get the interview. I got the interview. Finally, I'll get one little job in this place because I said I didn't pay the 3rd month rent. Yes. Hey. Who got milk? I got milk. This was the same age spoil. Hey.
Show you.
Hey.
Show you. Then show.
You good? You want someone to go?
No, thank you.
Let's celebrate.
What are you celebrating?
I got an interview.
That's
A
good.
very important interview that will get me millions of dollars.
Happy for you.
So happy for me? They can't celebrate with me.
I don't drink. I don't drink right
You want some of your milk?
now. No, I'm good. Thank you though. I said a girl didn't get me. No, so. Oh, Odaine fly out again. Oh boy. Living the life, I see. Hey. You look nice though. Kimberly is married. You can't go with the second visa, buddy, man.
Can't help it.
What about you, man?
Oh, I saw it did late. I may have one interview in like 15 minutes. So me I go do. You can't do nothing for me. Like, help them. Help me, please. Like, talk to them. Make them put me tomorrow instead. Me can't make it. Me know me like 3 hours late, but me can't make it. It's a life. It's a life, but me can't make it. Oh my God, what am I gonna do?
Come in. You learned your lesson, man. Good job.
Yeah. I want to talk to you.
Yeah, come around. Hey. I didn't ask you to sit, but anyways, you can sit.
So me can't just sit down beside
I
you.
don't like anybody.
I will
sitting
just
on my
chill.
bed.
I like how you stay.
Yeah, really. The first time you came here, you give me an impression that you're a nice person. Then all of a sudden you started behaving bad and all and stuff. I don't like that attitude of yours.
Yeah, but I'm really sorry about that. Honestly, like, I learned my lesson because, 3 weeks ago, we finally land the interview, everything, and I'm
really?
like, yeah, because that was like the job of my dream, and then we go drink the milk. But
this is why you're not supposed to box with people things.
I'm sorry.
I
knew you tell me not to drink your milk and whatever because you have a medical issue and whatever, but I'm sorry. And I'm sorry I wasn't paying the bills and whatever, but that's why I came in here. I'm gonna pay my part of the bills.
You sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure me have the money in this, so like seriously. I'm not joking.
You say if you come to me and talk to me and explain yourself to me, then that's different. But you just bold and give me attitude and argue with me and the type of living. I don't like it.
I grew up depending on my parents and
wow.
My parents just do everything for me. It's the first time for me paying bills and cleaning up on them stuff there, so
guess
I'm
what?
sorry.
You need to set your future in order for your kids to come. You need to start learning to do things. Be independent.
Can
Clean
you teach me
and all.
how to cook?
Of course I can. Of course. No, this is what we call roommate. We cook together, hang out and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Get to know you more, because I don't even know anything about you.
But I guess you carry those, yeah.
I can put some yes in the car.
Whatever.
Oh, I have a confession to make.
What?
I did put something in the milk.
So here we're at Palms Escape. Guys, you can find it on Airbnb, Booking.com, TripAdvisor. Yeah, all what you can think about.
Right.
It's a nice place.
True.
It's an awesome place and I'm the manager. So click that link in the description to book it. Yeah, I hope you like the place. Yeah.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And
comment.
also turn on your notification bell.
Yeah, so you know when other things coming out.
Awesome.
Yeah.
One more thing. Don't forget to check out Racquel for all your photos and videos.
Yeah,
for weddings.
Yeah, that's what we do basically.